In more news from Parliament now, Transport Minister Darrell Vaz today addressed the 16% fare adjustment due to public passenger carriers. Now, during his contribution to the sectoral debate, he said he is aware that the sector is under strain due to rising fuel costs.
The national ride-hailing policy will not only regulate emerging services but also safeguard the public's interest, promote fair competition and enhance mobility across the country. I'm pleased to say that it is of such urgency that the Minister of Tourism and myself are planning a meeting with stakeholders based on several requests that we have had for a meeting to work to see what can be done in parallel to the policies that government is implementing.
The incorrect insert there. This was Minister Vaz talking about the national ride-hailing policy to regulate the sector. He said the policy is expected to address a number of issues raised by stakeholders over the last few weeks.
Legislation and regulations that govern the transport sector in Jamaica. And nobody, no matter how big they are, is going to come and undermine that. They either work within the context of that, or we will have to deal with it accordingly.
Recent years, concerns have been growing louder from public passenger operators about what they describe as inequity within the sector. The minister has also sought to assure them that the government takes their concerns very seriously.
The issue of the 16% fare adjustment is under continued consideration, bearing in mind the effects on inflation, and of course, as they say, bad luck goes on. Every time we are at that point, we either have a hurricane or something to disrupt our economic forecasts and plans. But I give assurance that commitment was made and a commitment will be met.